Thank you all very much for joining us this morning and taking part of what we hope will be informative, educational, and more importantly, engaging conversation.
So what do you think are some of the top 3 barriers that families and children face to achieve a healthy weight, lifestyle and relationship to their bodies in your area? If you want
Finance, money. How much money they've got to spend, and fresh fruit and vegetable, for example, costs money. It's easier to go to Iceland, for example.
Yeah, I mean, I took my cousins to their kids swimming the other day, and for 2 adults and 2 kids, it costs us 30 quid.
What?
And you're like, wow, we're only there for an hour.
Why would health, exercise, and eating right be on your agenda when you can't even afford to survive? And that's
It was good to hear from different parts of the community, lived experiences, also to get to know about what's happening in the area in terms of physical activity and nutrition, but also have an understanding of what's not happening.
I thought it was an absolutely fantastic event, really getting to hear the voices of the community, of what it's actually really like, their lived experiences of their access to health and well-being issues and support. And I think there's a lot of information for us to take back to actually, make positive changes for the community that really meets their needs and not just what we think those people need.
It's given us an opportunity to really see what there is within the borough, and also to kind of talk about those issues that really are core to a major issue that's going across the whole country at this moment, especially after COVID-19. It's been really nice to meet other professionals and members of the community to really find out what those issues are and what solutions we can come together and hopefully implement.
I think there's lots of scope here. We realised, we have a lot of ideas and we think along the same lines when it comes to health and well-being. And hopefully we can take those ideas forward and implement something with them.
What's your favourite part of the event?
Oh, it's me and you guys as well.
I was going to say food.
And the food, yeah. But we had a really good group, I think, and we're also from different areas, different perspectives, but we all have a similar passion. And the food was banging.
I think networking is always a great opportunity. You meet like-minded people and you can see, we can help each other achieve goals and get our community to where it needs to go.
The thing I enjoyed the most was being able to say what I think about child and family obesity, and see ways that we can help it and get through it with everybody else.
Really pleased with the event today. We had lots of energy in the room, lots of people talking about their own experiences of trying to be healthy and trying to make sure that their families are healthy as well. We're really hoping that we're going to be able to make a difference with the information we've had.
The environment was really amazing. Elays were amazing, very welcoming community group. They're doing very good work, and we're very, very excited to work more in the future on our second workshop, hopefully in a month's time.